Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 model. The problem with this car is that the car engine automatically shuts off when the engine gets hot while driving. What is the cause of this problem and how to solve the problem? So watch the full video without dragging the video. Inshallah, if your car has this problem, you too can get it repaired. Congratulations from this channel for watching the video. Please pray for me to make more videos like this for you. What is the reason for stopping the car engine while running? To know that, I will first check with the scan computer. Is there any fault or not? See fault code p0089 fuel pressure regulator performance. The p0089 code indicates a possible high fuel pressure problem in your vehicle. While low pressure can cause poor vehicle performance and slow or no starting. But there is no problem starting this car. The reason why the car stops while the engine is running is the problem of high pressure fuel. So check the high pressure fuel pump. How to check the high pressure fuel pump? Check the high pressure fuel pump temperature with the scan computer. Start the car engine to check the high pressure fuel pump temperature. Click scan computer data stream to check high pressure fuel pump. After clicking data stream screen computer, then click on fuel system. Click high pressure control. Now press enter to continue. High pressure fuel temperatures are generally correct, with temperatures ranging from 30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. If the high pressure fuel pump temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius after starting the car engine cold and the high pressure fuel pump temperature is below 80 degrees Celsius when the engine is fully hot after starting the engine, remember the high pressure fuel pump is good.
A few minutes later.
Now the coolant temperature of the car is above 90 degrees Celsius. Engine coolant temperature is normal. After the engine coolant temperature has warmed up, watch the high pressure fuel pump temperature rise to 90 degrees Celsius. High pressure fuel pump is good at temp 30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. The fuel temperature of this car is 90 degrees Celsius, the high pressure fuel pump has a problem, so the engine shuts off suddenly while driving. First stop the engine start and change the high pressure fuel pump. How to open and replace high pressure fuel pump. I removed the aluminium cover above the high pressure fuel pump. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 engine high pressure fuel pump on top side. Before opening the high pressure fuel pump, first disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. I opened the battery negative terminal. You can also open it in this way. Now I will open and change the high pressure fuel pump.
Click the bell button to get the next new video. Please share the video and let your friends see it. Loosen the two screws and loosen the high pressure pump slightly with a hand wrench. In this way, two screws are removed. Now pull the high pressure fuel pump upwards by hand. There are two high pressure fuel pumps, one is a new pump and the other is an old pump. While installing the high pressure fuel pump, care should be taken not to damage the o-ring of the pump. If the o-ring is damaged, the engine oil will leak. I will install this new high pressure fuel pump now. Now tighten the two screws of the high pressure fuel pump. Install the high pressure fuel pump correctly, taking care not to cause any problems. Install low fuel pipeline petrol inlet pipe. Fit the clip of the fuel pipe well without leaking petrol. Now fit the high pressure fuel line pipe well. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel SES Automotive. Join the two nuts of the fuel high-pressure pipeline well and tighten them tightly to prevent petrol leakage. Connect the high-pressure fuel pump sensor wire socket. After installing everything correctly and complete, the engine code should be reset. I will clear the fault code. Use scan computer.
Having completed changing the high-pressure fuel pump, I have now connected the battery negative terminal. After installing the battery negative terminal, now enter the car and scan the computer to clear the fault code. Scan computer OVD socket connection. Turn the ignition switch to the on position to clear the engine code. With the ignition switch in the on position, click engine and then click clear fault code. Please turn ignition switch off, and then press enter to continue. Please wait 5 seconds for the fault code, S, to be erased. Fault code cleared. Ignition switch on or start the engine, then press enter to continue. Click read fault code to check the fault code. Done. Clear fault code. Now is no fault code. The vehicle's engine code has been cleared. Now I will start the car engine and test again to see if the high pressure fuel pump temperature is correct or not. Now let me test file temperature with computer.
A few minutes later.
After starting the engine and warming up, the coolant temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. Now I test the fuel temperature with scan computer. See engine coolant temperature above 90 degrees yet fuel temperature 45 degrees Celsius. Now there is no problem with fuel temperature. Remember that the problem of fuel temperature highs causes the car engine to stop suddenly while running. Thank you very much for watching the video. If there is any problem to understand, please comment in the comment box.